Okay, analogy naman tayo. Yesterday is to tomorrow. Friday is to blank. Marami nakakamali dito at sinasagot na agad is Saturday para mabilisan. Dahil konektado naman daw yung yesterday at tomorrow. Magkasunod. But basically, mali po yun. Dito, let's analyze. Yesterday is to tomorrow. Mayroon pong iniskip na araw. Yung dito, which is today. Okay. So, dapat yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So, ang sagot dito, Friday, may skip na araw na Saturday. Is to Sunday. Ang sagot dito is Sunday. Letter B. Okay. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless.